Welcome to an overview of Greenius, powered by LMN, the green industry's leading on-demand video training platform that delivers and manages employee development for companies of all sizes. At Greenius, we offer over 50 training videos in English and Spanish, ranging from chainsaw safety to how to use a skid steer to proper usage of a riding mower and more. We also have custom testing, a huge tailgate talk library, plus a newly launched 15-minute review tool, all designed to provide our users with a full suite learning management system. We're going to go over the main features of Greenius and show you why it is the #1 training software for landscaping and the go-to choice for employee training and onboarding. Let's start with an employee view of the training area. Employees that are enrolled in courses receive a text message or email with all the information they need to get started. Using their username and password to log in, employees see the training assigned to them by their manager, along with due dates for when they must complete the training. All an employee has to do is click on the course icon, start the training, watch the video, and complete an online exam. After that, their crew leader will take them through a practical checklist in person to demonstrate everything they learned in the course. An employee's progress is tracked in Greenius, and the records are easy to access. Our training modules work for almost every industry, from essential snow plowing techniques to engine and fuel safety to courses in maintenance, snow, and construction. We've got you and your teams covered. Each session tells you how long your employees should expect to complete it and who it's ideal for, whether that's crew leads or crew members. Plus, it's all on demand, so you can watch it as your time allows from anywhere. Let's check out the Greenius Company Dashboard tool where the magic happens. The company managers can add employees, assign training, and set due dates for everything. You can also set up 15-minute performance reviews to measure how well your employees are doing and put them on a path to success. In return, your employees can review the company and give you a health check on your company culture. It's a 360-degree review process. If your company needs data, we have robust reporting tools that give you updates on all the training done in Greenius, so your leadership and HR teams know who is up to date and who might need more of a push. Don't forget to check out our mobile app. It allows crew leaders to manage training in the field with their teams. With our mobile app, you'll be able to complete a practical checklist, host tailgate talks, and perform 15-minute performance reviews all on site. We also recently added a feature where the crew leader can now complete their own assigned training in the app. By combining all the tools Greenius offers, you're giving your staff a means to train all employees consistently across every aspect of your business. Greenius has a dedicated team of setup specialists standing by to help customers train and learn the Greenius system. Our team knows how to help you and want nothing more than to see you succeed with Greenius. Visit us at gogreenius.com for more information.